You know, I was worried about how I'm going to hold my wife's hand.
Veste, skrbelo me je, kako bom držal za roko svojo ženo.
Am I married?
Ali sem poročen?
No,
Ne.
I'm not worried.
In me to ne skrbi.
I was worried about how I'm going to, hold my kids when they're crying.
Skrbelo me je, kako bom držal na naročju svoje otroke, kadar bodo jokali.
But something beautiful happened.
Ampak nekaj čudovitega se je zgodilo.
I was at a family gathering one night,
Bil sem nekega večera na družinskem srečanju
and this little girl, 2.5 years old,
in ta mala deklica, 2,5 let stara,
she was hugging everybody goodbye.
je v slovo vse objemala.
And she wanted to hug me goodbye.
In tudi mene je želela objeti v slovo.
I love kids.
Rad imam otroke.
She looked at me,
Pogledala je vame
she's thinking, how am I going to hug Nikki with no hand?
in je razmišljala, le kako bom objela Nika, ko pa nima rok.
So she put her hands behind her back
Torej, sklenila je roke za hrbtom
and she walked up to me
in prišla je proti meni
and she gave me a hug with
in
her
mi je
neck
dala objem,
like this. And it was so
takole za vratom.
beautiful.
In bilo je tako
I was
čudovito.
like, wow.
In sem si rekel, wow.
If you're not able to conceive a child,
Če niste zmožni imeti otroka,
pray.
potem molite.
And if you honor God, God will honor you.
In če častite Boga, bo Bog počastil tudi vas.
Still, it's possible that you don't conceive a child.
Še vedno je možno, da ne boste spočeli otroka.
Maybe God wants you to adopt.
Mogoče Bog želi, da posvojite nekoga.
Maybe you had a child
Mogoče pa imate otroka
with a mental disability.
z duševno nesposobljenostjo.
The pain is not from, the disease is not from God.
Bolezen ne prihaja od Boga.
But what the enemy tried to use for bad, God turned into good.
Ampak kar je sovražnik namenil za hudo, je Bog obrnil na dobro.
What good?
Kakšno dobro?
What good can come out of my child?
Kakšno dobro lahko pride ven iz mene?
Maybe your child obviously will maybe never be a speaker.
Iz tega otroka, mogoče ta otrok nikoli ne bo govornik.
We have no idea how many parents who look after their mentally handicapped kids has actually inspired my parents to do their best with me.
Ampak nimate pojma, koliko staršev za mentalno prizadetimi otroki je navdihnilo moje starše.
You still love the child.
Še vedno so ljubili svoje
You still
otroke.
help the child.
Še vedno so pomagali svojim otrokom.
I believe it's the greatest tangible way of showing unconditional love.
Jaz mislim, da je to najbolj specialen način, kako pokazati brezpogojno ljubezen.
I've learned so many things from people who can't speak.
Toliko stvari sem se naučil od ljudi, ki ne morejo govoriti.
You're not a mistake.
Vi niste napaka.
You're here for a reason.
Tukaj ste z namenom.
Don't give up.
Ne obupajte.
There is hope until you give up.
Obstaja upanje, dokler ne odnehaš.